Roger, breaker. Right, well, he's obviously the part of the burner brigade. So, let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21. Yep, it's working.
Right, I'll put my extension speaker in.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Good, that should be back in the frame. Tango 21 ready.
Roger.
So, it's Sierra Hotel 1 Tango Sunday. There's my Sierra Hotel 1 Tango Sunday mug. Just to remind us that we're doing a Sierra Hotel 1 Tango set. I love great 868s and 858s and 848s. And this one's doing 4 watts. I've only ever seen one other in my 40 years doing
right,
this.
We're now passing the house and recording.
Roger, absolutely fine.
Do you have a tone control?
Negative, I don't, no.
Roger.
So considering these are a 3.5 watt set, to get 4 watts out of it, it's good going. And that's on our test set, which is pretty mean.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, got you at the closed and desolate Ancaster service station.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through the crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy
Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Fidelity CB1000FM from 1981, and this one's doing a 4.4 watts over.
Roger that, can't be bad.
Excellent.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on Fidelity 1000, doing a 4.4 watts, which is unusual for it being a 3.5 watt set. It's doing 870 milliamps. So doing that, which is very efficient. I'm going to go to low power, but I'm warning you that low power is only 170 milliwatts on this set. I don't think you're going to get me. So here goes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to 4 watts, over.
Yeah, roger that. No, nothing at low power really, so other than that it works well.
Absolutely fine, off you go then.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
we're square wheeled at the level crossing.
Roger, got you square wheeled at the level crossing.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. Yeah, you'll probably want a petrol price at this point, so that's 143.7 and 145.9.
145.6 was the last one.
145.9.
45.9, roger. So I didn't quite pull that out with an inferior receiver with this has. So there we are, that comes going to test, that worked great.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. I wonder if that petrol station's still open, what the price is, please, over. 145.6 was the last one. 145.9, roger. No, I didn't quite pull that out with an inferior receiver with this has. So there we are, that concludes the test, that worked great. 10-10. So yeah, you know, the receiver is what it is, and it lowers the sensitivity because there's other things on the band. So although we're not getting bleed over as such, if it was less lively weather conditions, as far as radio goes, we would get better range. But nevertheless, it's doing full 4 watts, and let's look at the sheet. The receiver was 0.45 microvolts for 12 dB synad, but they are prone to bleed over, and that doesn't help your sensitivity when there's other radio traffic out there. So I enjoy doing these, I enjoy the performance. You might not, but I do, and next Sunday we'll have another type of GT858. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's one that Alan kindly sent us. So there you are. Tomorrow it's a Rotel RBC 220 back to customer repairs. We've got a Midland 77104 GTL, which is nothing like the 77104 you all know and love. It's a totally different beast. So that's something else as a customer repair. And we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on a standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Fidelity 1000 into our Midland 76900 base station using our standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as ever, thanks for watching.